Example 6.3 I have told to do by yourself. So I am going to move towards example 6.4 with usual notation prove small a, that is length, a divided by sine cap c is an angle, is equal to b by sine b is equal to c small c divided by cap sine c. The same diagram which I used for latest of two subdivisions. So you need to learn one thing. I don't know if you forgot or not. I will retain once again. A vector cross b vector something but ab sine theta in n cap into n cap. This is the formula. All the modulus of either otherwise modulus of a vector, modulus of b vector, sine theta n cap. There will be n cap. If I am going to move with modulus of a vector cross b vector, the same answer ab sine theta, this n cap will become 1 because modulus of n cap is equal to 1 because n cap is nothing but unit vector. Unit vector, for unit vector, if I am going to put modulus, its answer is going to be 1. Listen carefully. N cap is unit vector. If you are going to put modulus for unit vector, the answer will be 1. So I don't need to write because by going, what's the use of modulus? By putting the modulus, n cap will be most. So you know the property of a triangles. Before moving to this, let ABC be a triangle. ABC be a triangle. Here BC vector is equal to A vector, comma BC vector. BC vector is A vector. CA vector is B vector, comma AB vector is equal to C vector. AB vector is equal to C vector. After writing this, by the area property of triangle, you have learned 1 by 2 AB vector cross AC vector. This formula you study, think so. Area is equal to area of triangle ABC. How I can take 1 by 2? I can write AB vector, AC vector, AB vector cross AC vector, AB vector cross AC vector. What is AB vector? AB vector is nothing but C vector. 1 by 2 C vector cross. Like that, AC vector is B vector. I can write B vector most like that. In spite of doing like this, I am going to write in simple way. Nothing but I have told area. I have not told vector. Vector means I don't need to write modulus. As I told area, I need to write modulus. Nothing but 1 by 2 modulus of A vector cross B vector is equal to 1 by 2 modulus of B vector cross C vector is equal to 1 by 2 modulus of C vector cross A vector. As 1 by 2 is common for, because 1 by 2 comes no, as 1 by 2 is common for each and every term, I will remove the 1 by 2 or multiply by 2 can multiply by 2 multiply 2 so all the things will goes. Removing 1 by 2, what we get? Modulus of A vector cross B vector is equal to modulus of B vector cross C vector is equal to modulus of C vector cross A vector. So modulus of A vector cross B vector, how I am going to write? The same procedure. AB sine theta is angle between A and B. A and B, what is angle? Pi minus C. Sine pi minus C. There will be no n cap because of modulus present. This n cap will be vanishes. Here BC sine BC angle. Here B, here C. What is angle? Pi minus A. Next CA sine pi minus. For CA angle is nothing but CN angle is nothing, pi minus B. Now I told you cos pi minus A is nothing but minus cos A. Cos pi minus nothing but minus cos A. But beauty is sine pi minus A is nothing but plus sine A because of second quadrant. So AB sine pi minus C is nothing but sine C. BC sine pi minus A is nothing but sine A. CA sine pi minus B is nothing but sin b. After writing all this, I am going to divide ABC for each and everything. AB sin cap C divided by ABC is equal to BC sin A divided by ABC is equal to CA sin B divided by ABC. CA divided by ABC. AB cancel. Sin cap C divided by small c. BC cancel. Sin cap C divided by small a. CA cancel. Sin caps B divided by small b. Now I am going to reciprocal. If I am going to reciprocal, what will become? First I will write this term. A by sin A. A by sin A is equal. Next term. B by sin B. B by sin B. Next. C by sin C. So hence proved. This only I need to prove. But in example 6.4 in your textbook, if you are going to see, they are given in somewhat critical way. I don't know whether you are going to understand or not. But I made you in simplest way and simplest form to make you very easy. So use this and read this sum properly. Don't avoid this because it's one of the important 3 mark sum. Study well. Thank you.